particular setting will blow up your YouTube channel, especially if you are just starting out on YouTube. I am going to show you these 5 settings that you are going to find inside your YouTube studio that most small creators ignore and they don't know about it, but they can make a massive difference in your reach, your views, and your YouTube growth. Trust me, these aren't just guessing setting or any setting you know or those common settings you know. These are the exact setting I, Grow with Dara, use on my channel, and that is when I noticed that my channel has started gaining real traction, and this is what I am currently using even on this video. So stay with me to the end of this video. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end, because each settings, if you miss it, I don't know what your YouTube growth will be like, especially the number 5 setting. It is something 90% of new creators gets wrong, and it is costing them views every single time they upload their video. So if it's the kind of video you want to see today, hit that subscribe and like button and hit the notification bell so that each time I publish video like this, you will get notified. So let's dive into the video. The first setting is your video visibility setting. Yes, when uploading your videos, you don't just rush to hit public. Make sure you set your visibility, like that video. Make sure you, once you upload it to your channel, yes, put it under unlisted or private first. Why? Because this will give YouTube time to fix your thumbnail, check for typos, typing error in your title or description, and even test how your videos looks on mobile before it goes live. Before you hit the public. Okay, I learned this the hard way once I hit public too fast, because when I started my YouTube channel, I will film today, edit today, and upload today, hits the public, and the thumbnail was cut off. Yes, my thumbnail wasn't looking good and my click-through rates wasn't looking good too. So since then, I watched one YouTuber like that, so I learned my mistake. I always upload as unlisted. Make sure you do a final check on your videos. Don't be in a hurry to upload them before you now switch to public at the right time. Okay, make sure it is always set on what, unlisted or private, or you can schedule it. Yes, but don't hit public immediately. The second setting is add your videos to a playlist. Yes, this particular setting right here is one of the YouTube's hidden growth hacks that some YouTubers don't know about. Always add your new video to a relevant playlist during your upload. Why? Because playlists signal to YouTube that your content is part of a series or theme in that your particular channel, and thereby increasing your chances of session watch time. There is something they call session watch time, like where you can get enough watch hour from people that is going to watch your video from the beginning to the end, and that is a ranking factor. So many people will be saying, and does playlist really matters? Yes, playlists really matter. Now let me give you an example. I have a playlist called YouTube Growth for Beginners. Yes, when someone watches one video under my playlist, I realize that they often watch 2 to 3 more of my videos. That is how you as a small channels will keep people on YouTube longer, especially in your channel, and YouTube will reward you for that. So whenever you are uploading any new video, make sure you add it to playlist, because that playlist will help you revive other of your old video back to life, and that old video might start getting what, watch hours. Will start, you might not even know where the views, subscriber, the watch hours are coming from. So that is why if you watch many YouTubers, you will see that all of them are adding their videos to playlist. None of their video is what exceptional. The third setting is the best time to post. Yes, this is where you can use your YouTube studio to track when your viewers are online on YouTube. Yes, this particular setting is only open for people who has enough data on their what, on their YouTube what studio. But if you don't have enough data, you can do what, experiment, like post on a random what time. Maybe today you post by 1 p.m., tomorrow you post by 3 p.m., the next day you post by 6 p.m. Then once you have posted in all of this time, you now checkmate the ones that are getting you a lot of views. Okay, so when you have enough data, YouTube will literally tells you when your subscribers are online. So if you want to locate this particular setting, just go inside your YouTube studio, click the analytics, then the audience tab. You will see a purple chart, this particular chart showing you your best time to post, like when your viewers are online. Make sure you post 1 to 2 hours for their peak time, okay, because it will give YouTube time to index your videos and show it to your subscriber when they are most what, active. And when they come online, your video is going to be the first that will pop on their what, on their homepage. So I started posting around 5 p.m. Sometimes I'll post around 4 p.m. so that before 5 p.m. my video might be start circulating to what, to my subscribers and new audiences. And since then I started implementing that particular strategy. I saw that is when most of my audience was active. Okay, like one video I posted some time ago, this video I posted it immediately and I got what, comments, I got views, I got engagement immediately. And those people are new audience, they have to subscribe to my channel. And one person was like, keep it up. Okay, so I was like impressed. So make sure you are using this particular graph. But if you don't have this particular graph on your YouTube analytics, you can try different time, but mostly when subscribers are online and during the evening time, because by that time most of them have come back to work, most of them have started what, relaxing. Make sure you post at the right time before what, they start coming online. The first setting is publish to subscription feed and notify your subscriber. This one might sounds obvious, but a lot of new YouTubers skip it by accident. Make sure that this publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber toggle is always on. The only place you can get this particular setting is on your YouTube studio. Without this, your videos won't appear in the subscription what, box, and your subscriber won't get notified. This happened to one of my YouTuber friend, let me say my coaching clients. They thought their video fluked, but no, they just forgot to tick this particular box. Just this tiny setting can kill your what, your videos. So always double check it before publishing your video. The fifth setting, which is also the last, is video details. I mean, choose the right word, category. Yes, now here is the most underrated settings. When you upload, make sure you set the right video category. This will help you to understand your niche. Match your video to the right audience. If you are making tutorials, any video, don't just leave it as people and blogs, because people and blog is the default setting for any person that have not activated this setting, or you put it as how to install. Like this my particular channel, I am under what, YouTube growth needs. It's either I put it to what, education or how to install. But the main category, this my particular niche or any YouTube growth niche, is what, how to install, depending on the type of content you made on your YouTube channel. When I switch it from entertainment, because this my particular channel was first built with entertainment, then I now switch it to what, how to install. My videos from search and suggested videos started increasing by what, 30%. Guess what? They are placing my next video similar to big creators, and I am getting a lot of suggested views, traffic from those what, creators. So always make sure you set your videos to the right category so that YouTube will target and place your videos to the right audience. These 5 settings seem small, but they are the major growth levers, especially for small channels who are trying to get noticed on this YouTube. So here is what I want you to do. Go to your next upload and apply all these 5 settings that I just spelled to you. You will 100% see a difference in your impression and views. You get that subscribers, get that notification. If you want more growth hacks like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That is, if you find this my video interesting, because my next video I'll also be giving a lot of what YouTube growth tips that will wow you and to make YouTube to start recommending your videos to non-subscriber. Trust me, that particular one will change everything for you on your channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, share and comment, and let's grow together. Bye.